Hi guys, it's Saturday today and medyo medyo cloudy ngayon, parang uulan. So hindi namin alam may gala ba ngayon o wala. So we're just walking around, me and baby Gia. Gia, say hi baby. Hi muna. Hello. Yes. Nandyan muna siya sa stroller niya while I'm walking around here. Ito nga pala yung compound namin. I mean, this is the compound that my company provided. Parang ganun na nga kasi may housing allowance naman na binibigay sa amin. So, pag dito kasi sa China guys, like, maghahanap ka ng bahay, kailangan meron kang agent if hindi ka marunong magsalita ng Chinese. Kasi, ang hirap pakipag-negotiate, ang hirap lahat. Ang mahirap pag hindi ka marunong mag-Chinese. So, you have to have those kind of people to fix or to process everything. So ayun, so maganda naman dito, like the combination of like buildings and natures. Yan ito guys, sa likod namin. Yan, parang may park under the buildings. Hindi lang siya yung parang nasa BGC or Makati ka na parang sa baba is puro buildings lang. Dito talaga is like there's a combination of greeneries, and maganda guys kasi napaka-relaxing. Like ang tawag nito, if medyo pagod ka na sa loob ng bahay, just take a walk around here and medyo maano nga yung yung boredom mo, yung stress mo mawawala. Lalo ngayon dito, kahapon yung temperature is around 37 degrees. So biglang baba ngayon naman ng mga siguro sa 25 na to ngayon. And yun, magandang maglakad-lakad muna before like the rain falls. Yan. And so ganyan guys yung itsura ng mga buildings dito. Yan, yung unit namin is nandun sa the other side. But basically it looks like that. Nandun kami sa 29th floor. Yeah. And ang kagandahan dito is merong mga playgrounds. Like kanina, tingnan natin, may matadaanan tayo. May mga playgrounds dito that the kids growing up will enjoy. So, yun nga, isa din sa nakaka-amaze is like, paano ba? May ganito din naman sa Pilipinas pero it's my first time to really pumira sa ganitong lugar. So, ganun pa at kami, expats kami dito, foreigners kami dito, and like parang nakakadagdag na kagaya niyan. There's a badminton court here. Anyway, going back, parang as foreigners here, parang nakakadagdag ng hindi naman sa tatawag natin ng respeto, pero curiosity nila sa amin. Like, alam nilang hindi kami marunong mag-Chinese, pero they're still trying to talk with us. Yun yung parang hindi sila yung may hiya sila kasi hindi sila marunong mag-English and all, but they're still trying to communicate with us, which is best. Kahit na karamihan ng beses nagsa-sign language na lang kami. I really like most of the time it really ends up with sign languages. So ayun, medyo lang, pero we get by naman. Like for example, meron dumating na package na nag-order kami, sign language nila, sabihin nila, basta alam mo yung number, alam mo yung huling 4 digits ng mobile number mo, okay na yan. Ganun lang dito guys. Yeah, like sa Pilipinas kasi paano ba, sanay kami, or yung tinitirahan namin is like one story and walang masyadong walang masyadong buildings. So it's a change of pace for us, which is a good. Ito, may mga pumesa ko mamaya.